Comedy club. Dame just happens to be sitting in the comedy club, sees me perform. Yo, that dude funny as shit.
Come be in this
Yo,
movie.
you want to do a movie? They didn't have the movie fucking together at the time.
Right.
You just a dude telling me something. I don't know what to believe. Cool, yeah. Let me get your number. Follow through. The movie ends up happening. Paper Soldier is the reason why I got tapes, audition tapes, pilots,
But
other
that's a
projects.
classic.
It's a fucking hood classic.
A
Absolutely.
hood classic.
Classic.
Mhm.
Shouts out to Smokey. Shouts out to Beans.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I mean, Charlie Murphy, R.I.P.
That's what early to us, 2001, 2002-ish.
Shit, yes, that's very
Yeah.
early 2000s.
Yeah. I remember
2000, maybe 2000, 2003, 2004.
I think I had just got in the league when that shit dropped.
2003, 2004.
Mm.
All of my classics in the beginning were successful bootlegs and flops. Soul Plane was supposed to be the biggest movie ever and ended up being the biggest bootleg of all time.
But it's still classic though.
How did you make that transformation to fall into the movie world and be so heavy into it?
First of all, it was get in where you fit in, you know, where it started. You know, shout out to John Singleton, who actually discovered me. You know, he actually was like, yo, I want you in my movie. But I felt like being an actor wasn't good enough to be able to really do all the things I wanted to do and to be able to do the kind of movies I wanted to do at the Boys in the Hood. So I knew getting behind that camera and was important, and writing was important, because until you have the material you want to shoot, you don't have no movie. So it all starts with the writing. So I got into writing early. Like right after I did Boys in the Hood, I started writing my own scripts. They was whack, but I started, and the third one was Friday.